Alright guys, thought I'd bring you a quick video today. Thanks for stopping back. We're going to change the inner tube on this multi-joy fat tire e-bike. It's the 26-inch wheel. We had a hole in it there right at the seam, so we're just going to change the tube out. We're going to show how easy that is to do. They do make some tools. We'll show you those that helps you get the tire off the rim, but they do come off pretty easy without the tools. So let's pull this off. We got the quick axle here. We're just going to flip down the nut, lift up a little bit, loosen that a little bit, I guess, just to make it easier. There we go. Comes right out. Your bike will sit there. Now let's go over here and get this put on. Now here's our new tube. We bought the ones that came in a 2-pack, but you can see right down here's this is your valve stem. You're going to use that as reference when you put your new one in. So let's pull this off. You can see you can get it unstarted and it will come off like this. Then you can take you can pull your valve stem out and then just pull your tube out. I wanted to show you guys the tools that you could use to get so we tried to patch it once, but it's on the seam. It didn't hold too good, so maybe we'll give another go at it just to have it as a backup. So you go all the way around, do the same thing. Now this one still has a little bit of air in it, so it makes it a little bit harder, but not too bad. That's it, tube out. I'll put the new one in. I'm gonna lay it on here like this because it's gonna go in there. First thing you're going to want to do is center that valve stem in there. So find your hole over here, get your tube set in there, and just set the valve stem through the hole in the rim. Pull it this way so you guys can see it. Right there, that's our first step. Then what we're going to want to do, we'll put our cap on there so it doesn't fall through. Like that. Then we're just going to go all the way around, set this tube inside the tire, like so. All the way around. Make sure it's not twisted in there if you can. It'll be sitting in there like that. And find your valve stem. You'll know if it's crooked because your valve stem will point a funny way, like that. Now we're going to put our tire back in. Be careful not to pinch your tube. All the way back around. That's it, it's in there. Now we're going to get the pump and pump this. Alright guys, this is this little kit I was telling you about. Comes with like everything you need to change a tire. Even a little hand pump if you needed to do that on the trail. This one has the tire spreaders in it. Well, this is one of the tools you can use to get the tire off of the rim if you needed it. There's also the other. There's like some skinnier ones, which I have somewhere. But that's the same kind. It will work the same way. And then here's the hose. It goes into here, but that's that kit. We didn't really need it for this, since we're not on the trail or anything like that. We're just gonna use our pump we have here. We're going to screw it onto the valve stem. The key to this is getting the tire to seat, because they got to be perfectly centered. Otherwise you'll see it try to spread out at one spot. But we're going to try to keep it centered the first shot. We're going to do, how many pounds does it say? It's our max. Let's see, max 30 psi. We're going to do like 25. So we'll turn this on, go up to 25. Well, we'll do 20 so we can watch it better. There we go. Now we just watch it as it fills up, make sure it tries to fill center. We want the tire to sit on here center. It will take a minute at first, but I see it's starting to fill over there. I got that line right there that'll help you guide it through. We're going to stop real quick, take a look. It don't look like we're spitting out anywhere. It looks equal, so we can keep going. It looks like it's doing the job. Alright guys, one more pound. It goes quick. There we go. We're pumped up, ready to go. And that's pretty much it to change the tube on there. It's pretty quick. You could do it on the trail, as you've seen. I mean, if you were with the hand pump, it's going to take you longer, of course. But that's pretty much all it takes to do it. If you guys have any questions, hit us up down below in the comment section. We'll get to them for you. We'll leave links to the tubes and stuff if you're interested in any of that stuff, even this kit. So all we're going to do is undo this, put it back on the bike the same way we took it off. We're back on the trail. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, try something new. Do a little bit of everything.